Tesla has come up with its first showroom in India right here at BKC. There are two models, two variants of Tesla which will be available in India from here on. The first one that we speak of is Model Y. This one that we speak of is Model Y. You see the interior features of this very car. It is, in fact, there will be two range of Model Y that will be available in India of Tesla. One will be Model Y, Model 3. But as of now, Model Y is being brought into India. It will be available for sale from today onwards, that's July 15 onwards, in Mumbai, Gurugram and Delhi. That you speak of these very features. So for the screen is computer based, similar to the Optimus boat of Tesla that's on sale. Apart from that, you see clean features. Two models of Tesla, that's Model Y, which will be available. There'll be long range and which will have 500 kilometers of range, and an ultra long range which would have more than 600 kilometers of range. So far that you speak, when it comes to this very red car model that is there, it has a white and a black interior. Apart from that, you speak of the boot space. There's been given extra boot space. This very car, which is now on sale from today onwards, will be delivered by August end, whereas the second model would be up on sale from the end of year. Clearly, when it comes to these two models, that is the Model Y is an SUV, but however, this is the initial model will be imported from Shanghai. There are pre-launch touches that have been given. However, when you speak of the sleek interior, the Model Y is in dark grey and black alloy with a sleek cube-like silhouette that will be there. The long range RWD as well as the long range AW. These are two Model Y that will be available. That you speak of this very boot space. It also has the back seats which are adjustable. That you can speak of. There are buttons that are put at the end around the boot with extra boot space that this provides. When it comes to the charging, there is a USB-C port, wireless charging, voice commands and internet connectivity that has been already provided in the car.